Hi everyone, let's make twisted donuts today. Combine the flour, salt, and bread improver and mix well. Add in the yeast mixture, which has been prepared about 5 minutes earlier. The mixture may seem wet in the beginning, but it's okay. Just continue to mix for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we add 1 egg and continue to mix for another 5 minutes. Next, add the melted butter. Knead for another 10 to 15 minutes. The dough is now ready for the next step. Transfer the dough in another bowl dusted with some flour. Cover the dough with a cloth and leave it for about 1 hour to proof. It should rise to about double the size. Knock out the air in the dough. Transfer the dough on a lightly floured board. Lightly knead as shown to form a long roll of dough. Cut the dough into about 16 equal pieces. Take each portion and roll from the center to make a long piece. Next, roll the ends towards opposite direction. Lift up the dough using both ends and it should automatically twist. Pinch the ends to secure them together. Place the twisted dough onto a baking paper for easy removal later. Repeat the process for all the remaining portions of the dough. Cover the dough and wait for about 30 minutes. The dough should rise to about double its size. Heat oil over medium flame and gently slide in the donuts. Flip the donuts and fry until they are golden brown. Remove donuts from the pan and drain excess oil using kitchen paper towel. While still warm, coat the donuts in cinnamon sugar. The soft, fluffy donuts is best eaten while still warm. Enjoy the donuts. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.